Welcome to InTradeX.com. InTradeX is a manufacturing exchange platform where certified buyers and sellers of manufactured durable goods, raw materials and service providers come together to complete transactions, ship goods across the Americas, finance transactions and much more. On this platform, you'll search for products you are looking for and wait until you see our search page. Place a bid for your goods on a Dutch-style auction. That's when the prices are lowered with each bid instead of going higher. Arrange for payment. We offer net 10 terms for everyone and net 30 days for Gold members. Even if you don't currently have terms with the seller, now you do. Arrange for transport. Even during the process of bidding, you can search our transport boards or post an RFT, request for transport, and have certified transporters bid on your transport needs. Shipment arrives. Inspect your goods or arrange for one of our associates to inspect at your location or port of entry. That is what we do. As you can see, we haven't officially launched our site yet. We need your feedback. Let's take a sneak peek at what we have in store for you. On the home page, you will immediately see the most popular items, new requests for quotes, RFQs, and new requests for transport, RFTs. Buying and selling manufactured goods is more about the relationship than the goods. We have put the profile at the center of the site. When you log in, you'll quickly see items you have indicated you're interested in. You can log in with your Facebook, Twitter or LinkedIn credentials and automatically promote items you're selling or looking for on any or none of these sites. Searching is a breeze with our specialized search engine. Search by keyword, username, company name and so on. You can also build your search by dragging and dropping options about what you're looking for into our search cloud. Search results are at the bottom. All the items' descriptions, certifications, point of origin and manufacturing information is viewed on the item page. Place a bid or click on the Buy Now button. Then follow the steps to finalize your purchase. Arrange a post-sale inspection, post directly to our RFT. We hope you enjoyed your first look at InTradeX.com. On our next installment, we will show you the finance and transport interfaces, along with a surprise. Please leave us your email address and we'll send you an invite for further demo videos and site launch.